Can't find the logo upload button in Gusto? It's hidden. I'll show you the exact click path to brand your account in minutes. First, we'll open the company dashboard, then navigate to the profile menu, upload your logo, and finally, verify the save. All right, first things first. Open up Gusto and navigate to your company dashboard, the home base for all your settings. From there, click on your profile icon to open up that quick access menu. Then, find the pencil icon and click it. That's how you get to editing your company info. Now, in the logo area, click the Upload button to pull up the file picker. Then, click through and select the logo file you want to upload. Once your logo is selected, hit Save to set it in place. And finally, double-check that your logo is showing correctly. That's your confirmation it's saved successfully. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.